Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, as most of you are not subscribed. And don't forget to click the bell notification so you know anytime I go live. All right, this is a real quick 30-minute penne marinara. Perfect for a quick, easy weeknight dinner. All right. First thing we got to do is we have 4 chicken Italian sausages that I pretty much halved and then chopped again, so quartered up. And we're just going to get some color on these, sauteing them in some olive oil in my nice Dutch oven. All right, couple of minutes, and then remove these from the pot. All right, now we got our meat squared away. Time to deglaze the pan. I'm using a little bit of white wine to do it, somewhere between a quarter and a half a cup. I didn't really measure it. And then you want to stir it around, get all those bits and bobs. The liquid left over I call liquid flavor. If for whatever reason you don't want to use wine, you can deglaze with chicken stock, beef stock, veggie stock, beef broth, chicken broth, or just plain old water. But I like the wine. I think it gives a nice flavor to it. Then you want to add a 28-ounce can of tomato sauce. And then we want 3 cloves of minced garlic, and then give this a nice gentle stir. And then, of course, salt and pepper. Okay, now it's time to add the herbs after you let this kind of come together for a couple of minutes. It's very simple. It's a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, a teaspoon of basil, and a teaspoon of oregano. Then you just want to stir this all around. At some point, add the meat back. Stir this all around, and then just let this simmer for 20 minutes. And at some point, cook pasta. But we're not quite done with the sauce yet, actually. I'm sorry, I spoke a little out of turn. There's a couple more ingredients we're going to add. Just give this at least 10 minutes on its own. And now it's time to add one of the last ingredients, which is a half a cup of heavy cream. And give that a stir around, yada, yada, yada. Okay, we've got our sauce here. And now it's time to add our penne pasta to it. Again, when you cook pasta, whatever the minimum amount of time on the package is, take 1 minute off of that. And if you're, for whatever reason, using fresh pasta, about 90 seconds. Then just want to give this a nice stir around. As you can see, got our meat back in the pasta. And that's pretty much it. We're pretty much ready for serving. And then to serve is very, very simple. You just want to grab yourself a block of Parmesan, grab yourself a grater, and give it a good old dusting. Maybe a few twists of the old pepper mill. And that's that. 30-minute penne marinara. Done.